Ayan, magandang araw, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Kung saan man kayo naroroon, ito ang inyong lingkod, si Sam G ng Pinas Latest. Ang pinakabagong YouTube channel na inaabangan ng lahat. Woohoo! Inaabangan ng lahat. Mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Inaabangan itong channel na ito. Pinas Latest. Puro kalokohan. Umpisa pa lang, kalokohan na. Anyway, ito po, nanonood po ako ng Senate hearing na ginawa ni Amy Marcos. Kung inyo pong matatandaan na in-interview si Remulla ng isang newscaster. Sabi niya doon, apat silang nag-coordinate. Ngayon, todo tanggi. Napakasinungaling mga hinayupak. Grabe. O sige. Kung ano pa masabi ko, panoorin na lang natin.
Talagang hindi tayo tutulong at hindi tayo
Hindi raw tayo tutulong sa ICC. Tama nga naman kasi hindi naman tayo member ng ICC.
Kumakain po kayo, violation na naman ng human rights.
Nako, baka mademanda ka niyan. Amy, kumakain si Anyo. Bawal yan sa human rights.
Baka may naalam kayo.
Kumakain, tinatanong bastos eh.
Kasi parang nag-iba eh. Di nag-iba. Bakit nag-iba? Nung una, ang tindi ng ating paninindigan na hindi kailanman tayo tutulong sa ICC. Biglang lumambot. Nahahayaan natin pag pumasok.
Biglang lumambot, napakuluan.
Tapos nun, meron ng statement, uupo tayo.
Napakuluan eh, parang bulalo.
Pag-uusapan kung saan tayo pwede.
Mga loko. Mga loko-loko eh.
Alam, Secretary Anyo, kasi maraming nagsasabi na kayo daw ang dahilan kung bakit nagbago ang isipan ng ating administrasyon.
Madam Chair, palagay ko po ay walang...
Ito, isa pang traidor ito. Napaka-traidor din itong tao na to.
Ito po ay legal na usapan at hindi po kami nag-focus sa legal na usapan sapagkat ang sa amin po ay on the lens of national security. Tapos wala rin po kaming na-monitor na pumasok dito ng mga ICC investigators kung sinasabi ng mga panahon na yan.
So wala kayong alam tungkol sa pagbabago ng isipan at polisiya ng ating administrasyon?
Wala po, Madam Chair.
At hindi rin kayo kasama sa pagpaplano ng aresto ni former President Duterte?
Ma'am, meron po akong opening statement. Pwede ko po bang basahin?
Siyempre, oo.
Nag-opening statement pang walang hiya. Wag na!
Recognize the arrival of Senator Cayetano. Please proceed, Secretary.
Yes,
Anyo,
ma'am.
please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to start by thanking the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, chaired by Senator Amy R. Marcos.
Yes, palakpakan, palakpakan!
The truth about what transpired during the arrest of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and other related matters. I believe this is also a good venue for me and my fellow officials to clarify what really happened and to debunk and dispel the false accusations and fake narratives that have misled the public about this issue. As government officials, it is our duty
Jollibee
to be
penge!
truthful and to assure the public that our
Jollibee kaya yun, baka
in accordance with the law.
tuyo, tsaka munggo. Favorite ni Tatay Digong yun.
Information campaign aimed at destroying the integrity and credibility I have carefully built over 4 decades of public service, which began the day I entered the hallowed halls of the Philippine Military Academy. While public officials are not supposed to be thin-skinned, I have rolled with the punches for several days. However, the time has come for me to air my side. Therefore, I am grateful for the opportunity to speak before the Senate and present the truth. As a former member of the cabinet of the Duterte administration, it is also very hard for me to see the former president arrested. I worked closely with former President Duterte for so many years through the most serious crisis the country faced, and we have developed and nurtured a personal friendship. He trusted and respected me in the same way I trusted and respected him. Even after our
Drama,
in 20
pwede sa Korean novela.
I retired from public service when former President Duterte ended his term. However, the public service came again, and 6 months after my retirement, I was appointed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to be his national security advisor. I saw my appointment as a continuation of my service to the Filipino people across different administrations. As a soldier, my loyalty has always been to the Constitution and the chain of command.
Ngayon naman pala, palakpakan. Palakpakan.
When I served as the commanding general of the Philippine Army under President Noynoy Aquino, then as AP Chief of Staff, and later as Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government under President Duterte, and now as National Security Advisor under President Marcos Jr. In its position, I have held under several administrations. I have never played politics. I do not have a political
Di
agenda,
daw.
nor do I have, or will I ever have political ambitions.
Sinungaling.
I hold the same principle in my role as National Security Advisor and Director General of the National Security Council. Thus, I'd like to state for the record that my role was limited to the mandate of my office to assess that the situation does not escalate into a national security concern. The implementation of the ICC warrant is beyond my mandate.
Uy,
and I have
sino
no
yun?
part in it. And may I also state for the record
Bigla na lang dumadaan sa camera eh.
of any core group,
Yung man lang magpasintabi.
a member of such group that
Oh, inulit
planned
pa?
and prepared for the arrest of former President Duterte. In fact, it was only on Tuesday morning,
Isa pang
March
daan,
2025,
tatampaling
that I
kita.
learned that there was already an Interpol red notice and that the ICC warrant of arrest would be served. There was also no intelligence operation. The former president's presence in Hong Kong, as well as his return to the country, was a public knowledge since it was heavily reported in both mainstream and social media. It is utterly unacceptable and unfair that my name is being dragged into an alleged grand conspiracy. I firmly deny any allegations of a grand conspiracy. In fact, the events in March 11 were spontaneous. As National Security Advisor, I was merely doing my job. However, I face all these accusations against my honor and integrity with firm resolve, knowing that I am on the side of the truth, and I was simply doing what I had to do. And in doing so, I upheld the truth, justice, and the rule of the law. Again, my loyalty is always to the country, to the Constitution, and not to any person. Thank you.
Yeah.
Salamat, Secretary Ed. Subalit sa kabila nito, nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary.
Dinamay ka nga ni Remulla eh.
Ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo.
I would like
Secretary
to answer
Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng
that.
DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, you're recognized.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president and the ones I mentioned. There was.
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They
Ang
asked me-
pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano.
Apat. Apat kayo. O yun, si Utol to the rescue.
Yes, that's fine, but it's in the interview. And
Kapatid to the rescue.
It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Palakpakan ng kapatid. Yan. Palakpakan ng kapatid to the rescue eh.
Did not
explain
state in
what
any
he
way.
said in the interview, and I'm happy
They
to
asked
hear
me
it.
if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes, yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival based
Parang
on
hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin eh. Ang
that is
pagkaintindi
that
namin,
is the
apat
whole
ang
truth,
nagplano.
ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors.
Alright, play the video.
Natin para maintindihan
Isalaksak niyo dyan sa, ano? Sikmura ni Remulla.
On top of this, kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
Yes.
Ikaw
Oh,
ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman.
oh, hindi naman pala.
It was a group effort.
Oh, group
Secretary
effort.
Teodoro was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang
I
natira.
stand by that, ma'am.
Last man standing doon sa Malacanang.
I stand by that.
Kasi Secretary Teodoro was working out of his office.
Eh, napakaliwanag po ng sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo. Wala
Secretary
namang
Anyo, of
mapakiyaw-kiyaw
course,
dun sa...
Yes, ma'am.
Oo nga.
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna.
Pareho kami ng pagkakaintindi ni Senator Amy. Pakaliwanag naman, Tagalog.
Kasama ng presidente, nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Eh, sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am.
Ay, mali pala yung video. Baka fake news.
Walang executive
I-
privilege kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very clear.
Apakasinungaling pala nung ano,
That there was
nung
no
video, baka AI.
that we were discussing mainly about
Ang
what the
galing.
president's statements were in Hong Kong,
Ay, ewan ko sa'yo.
and it was based all on that statement.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
There was, I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
ang
nagplano.
We
Ang-
were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong
Earlier-
in-effort ng group
Ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make
I
it
think
clear.
that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please
no,
respect
I'm just
our.
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But
The media
it's
statement,
already a
I'm
very thin
confining-
dividing line.
Hindi,
Between
hindi
what
ikaw ang
transpired in the
tinatanong. Ikaw ang sumasagot.
Cabinet members
I will-
and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Understood.
Hindi ka bagay dyan sa DOJ.
Secretary
Umalis ka na dyan.
is fully aware. Every time there's a need to recess to executive session, I'm happy to do so. And I will do so when necessary. Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig
Milyong-milyon,
sabihin.
milyon-milyon ang nakakita
Pero
niyan.
kung nagplano, may grupo kami.
Pati nga kami dito sa Canada, nakita namin yan.
I did not plan it. I said we were there.
Group
and
effort.
not to skirt
Come on, dude. It's a group
executive
effort.
It was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that, ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan? Anong
To
diniscuss
discuss the
ng
rumor, ma'am.
grupo na
That again, ma'am,
pinangalanan nyo?
as far as I will invoke in executive privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka
So,
ako,
again,
bakit
ma'am,
group effort? Eh, chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga. Ayun
Sino
nga
nga
yun.
kung chismis?
Chismoso ka kasi.
Effort pa, tapos pinangalanan mo
Ma'am,
pa lahat na
maraming
nakipag-group
marites sa
effort.
mundo to, ma'am.
Isa ka na doon.
Labis naman yung marites, dami-daming
Ito,
marites
say
sa
this
amin.
Ikaw ang tatay ng mga marites, Remulla.
On the statement of the president.
Huli ka na sa sarili mong bibig.
Nakakatuwa
Tatanggi
lang,
mo pa.
Chismis lang pala eh. Bakit sa sentensyahan yung tao sa base ng chismis?
Ay, nako.
It was a discussion of a rumor.
Okay. Kita-kita naman natin, ano, huling-huli na sa sarili niyang bibig. Ay, nako, itatanggi pa. Napaka walang modo nitong mga ito. Ewan ko, bahala na kayo dyan. Ang ating concern ay ipalabas ang totoo at unti-unti, no, napakarami, balita ko, napakaraming lumantad na katotohanan dito sa Senate hearing na ito. Maraming salamat pa rin dito sa effort ni Senator Amy Marcos. Kahit kapatitan ni iba nga, medyo 50-50 tayo dyan. Pero ganun pa man, nag-effort naman siya at lumabas ito, na-interview itong mga karakter dito sa dukot, pag-kidnap, pagtapon dun sa Hague kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. Okay po, marami po salamat sa inyong panonood at mag-upload pa po tayo ng mga latest sa Pilipinas, yung mga marites. Abang natin uli magsalita to si Remulla kung ano marites nito, ha. Okay, thank you po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.